Hey everybody, and welcome to this video. If you are watching, then that must mean that you have joined our To Be Mindset Success community. Woo! So congratulations to you. The purpose of this video is to show you how to access all of your digital resources. I'm going to show you that there are two easy ways for you to access the program. So I'm going to share my screen so I can show you the first way. So if you go to www.teambeachbody.com, this is going to be where you originally purchased your program, hopefully, with your coach. Now, what you can do first is you can click on the sign in button, or you can click on the Beachbody on Demand. It's going to take you to this next screen. Now, if you also have access to Beachbody on Demand, then this is going to look familiar to you. But in order to access To Be Mindset, you're going to go to a different tab. So you're going to click on this Nutrition tab. And once you are in the Nutrition tab, it's going to look like this. It's going to have the lock little picture until you sign in, okay? So let's log in. And you will see that once I do that, the picture is going to change and I'm going to have access, ta-da, to the program. Now, if you click on that, your overview is going to tell you about the program. Your videos. Now, this is the amazing thing about this program, okay? It is very, very detailed. As you know, it is nutrition-based. Well, Alana, the creator, is a certified dietitian, nutritionist, and she has spent a lot of time, over 2 years, developing all of the videos for this program. So at the top, you're always going to see your getting started or your before you begin. Now, as you start clicking on the videos and start going through the videos, this will change a little bit and it will kind of give you access or the option to be able to click on where you left off. But since I haven't clicked on any of these, I'm just going to start with the introduction. You want to watch these videos in order. You want to take your time. As you see, they're very short videos. They're very detailed, but they're very short videos. So I encourage you to not only watch these videos one time, but watch them several times. Just click on the play button. You'll watch the video, okay? And you see your getting started guide. Definitely want to go through. And again, she breaks it down. She got the introduction. She describes to you what the two bunnies represent. She talks about a new way to look at food, everything from breaking down your protein and your carbs, your accessory foods, how to plate it for your dinners, your lunch, your breakfast, and your snacks, a recap of them, how to make over your mindset, how to start losing weight now, going to the grocery store. Alana actually goes to the grocery store. Oh my goodness. Enjoying takeout food, going to a social event. So if you continue to scroll down, there are also videos basically of the most frequently asked questions. So health, the scale went up. What happened? What do you do? What happens? So again, you want to watch those videos. And as you scroll down even more, you have access to some of the recipes. Now, again, this is in addition to what you're going to receive in the mail with your package. Okay, this is just your digital access. So all the videos, the veggies, the dinner, all kind of good stuff. And I encourage you to take the time to watch each one of these videos. And again, don't feel bad about watching them more than once. I've gone through this program. I was in the test group. And so I have already seen these videos and I've listened and watched them more than once because you really want to understand the concepts. And they're very, very basic. So once you go through the videos, once you start with your meals, you will see how easy it is to do this program, okay? You can also click on the resources, and that's going to take you to your program guide. There's your tracker because you're going to be tracking your food. There's your food list. You can download each one of these. And as you see, there's one for US and Canada. There's the UK. There's a vegan. Yes. And again, some more Q&As. Some other things, again, your recipes, there you go. So tons of information for this program. And again, this is just what you personally have access to. This is your digital access. You're still going to get your package in the mail. Hopefully you got Shakeology as well. And then you're also going to be a part of your coach's private success community. So don't forget, you get access to that, where you're going to get daily motivation and support and all kind of good stuff that happens. So again, this is the first way to access your program, and that's going straight to the Team Beachbody. Now, if you have not also purchased the All Access Pass to give you Beachbody On Demand, when you go to this page, it may seem like you have access to the workouts, but if you start trying to click on them, you're not going to see anything. So I highly encourage you, if you haven't already, to get with your coach about purchasing the entire bundle where you can get access to all these other amazing programs and meal guides and workouts and all kind of good stuff. There's tons of information in here and even more recipes underneath the Fixate. So again, that is simply how you access. If you're on the Team Beachbody page, you click on Beachbody On Demand and click on the nutrition. Make sure that you are signed in, because it'll trick you and you will say, wait a minute, I paid for this, but I don't have access to it. So you want to make sure that you are signed in, and you should not see the locked button, and you should be able to access all 43 videos and all the other tons of resources that are in there. Okay. So I'm going to make sure that I sign out so that I can show you how to also access it. Okay. If you don't have on demand, if you're not doing anything else with Beachbody, no problem. Feel free to go straight to www.tobemindset.com. It's going to kind of reroute you, kind of look the same, but it takes you, once you sign in, because you've created a login, it's going to take you straight to the nutrition tab. So it saves you from having to go through the Beachbody On Demand, clicking, when you sign in, and it takes you directly to where you need to be. And again, you should already be signed in, and so you can start clicking on these videos. Don't forget, you can also download these videos. You can save this program material and the recipes and all the other good stuff to your computer. Tons of access. You should always be able to access any of these. So if you're traveling and you need to know how to stay on track when you're on vacation or any of those good things, it should be right there for you. Okay, so hopefully this answers all your questions about how to access the program, how to get started. Don't forget that you have a coach that's going to take you through the program and be able to provide support and motivation daily to you for all your needs. And remember, exercise is not required. It is extra credit in this program. All right. Hope this helps you. If you have any other questions, make sure that you reach out to your coach or you post in your private success community so that you can not only help yourself, but you can help others as well. Thanks so much. Take care.